黐線，黐線馬騮，
黐線你話我黐線？
黐線呃鬼，
你老婆咧？
What you drinking, DJ?
Bro, this is out the freezer. That's the rakia. You can put it in there and it doesn't freeze.
Bro, that
And
shit
when
look like
it's
that shit look like death.
bro, when it's cold, it's
That shit look like straight death to
I'm
me.
good on the smoke today. You guys can
yes, man.
alcohol.
Yeah,
Salud.
you did.
Chinese brand.
Hermosa cariño.
With that alcohol.
Hermosa cariño.
No, we ain't doing whole shots. No whole shots. Easy. Bro, she's crazy.
Take another one. Come here, take another one. Hey. Come here, take another one. Take
V,
another
I
one.
need you to know something. I need you to know, V, you're in a room. You're in a room full of alcoholics, except for Natalia.
I'm not an alcoholic. They're lying. They're lying.
And this guy down here, he's the biggest alcoholic.
Don't listen to this guy. I gave my life to Christ. I don't know what he's talking about.
How tall are you, Dr.
Hey.
DJ? You look really tall.
Don't worry, he's totally enough.
I'm 185
Ah,
Okay.
centimeters.
Okay.
he's tall enough. It will fit, guaranteed.
Okay.
It's okay. It's a good height, you know. It's not short, but it's not tall either.
I know. I know.
What the fuck?